Junior Ramp Up Advisors. I just want to do a quick video here to show you what you're going to be doing in Ramp Up from now until the end of March. Students, you'll see posted in your group this January 13 OntoCollege Now kickoff. And I have here that your login, when you select the link to go there, should be your teacher email, and the password would be staff 18 unless you have changed that. But if it doesn't work, just say you forgot your password and reset it. And just back when we started using OntoCollege Now, that was set as the default. Here's what the students are going to use, their school email, and then Marshall Tigers. And how this will work is for this next week's ramp up, January 13, you're going to have to go in and add this assignment to your ramp up course. And what I have in that assignment is information for our juniors about when they're taking the ACT test at school, if they're contemplating a 4-year, the benefits of preparing for that ACT, which includes a link to a document down here that talks about scholarship money available at many, many colleges. So that should give them a financial incentive to work to get a good score. And for our students who are considering a 2-year college in the future, there's also a benefit, and I explain that here. 2-year colleges still require a placement test. Many of them use the AccuPlacer. And if they do well enough in math and reading on the ACT, they don't have to take that AccuPlacer test. They'll let them use those scores, and then they don't have to pay to take remedial classes before being able to go into the college level classes. Attached here is the schedule that we're going to recommend to students that they follow. We're not going to be doing this every day like we've done in the past due to COVID, but this is a recommended schedule for them on what they could do every day. The activities only take about 20 minutes. I've also attached the junior year timeline so that they can see this is what you should really be taking care of this year as you prepare to move into your senior year. And then, of course, the last thing here is the actual link to OntoCollege Now for the students. And it tells them here, or in the directions as well in this assignment, I tell them that their username is their email and that their password will be Marshall Tigers. And if you notice, I also have that right here in the directions in the folder before you even open it. Now, as the instructor, what you're going to do on Wednesday and every Wednesday in Ramp Up is you're going to be showing a video and then letting the kids get started on their activity if there's time. So I've got the first link here and your directions on how to get in, and I'm just going to show you how it's going to work. So you'll see when I select that link, it wants me to log in. So my school email, my password, and then I select log in. And that link I will always have for you, so it takes you right to the video to show. So if you just use that link, then log in, it'll take you every Wednesday right to the video that you're going to be showing your juniors. A little more background for you is if you go to courses, and ACT prep, that's where the students are going to be working from and doing all their activities. And then the videos you're going to be showing are actually at this link as well. Encourage the kids to play around on OntoCollege Now. There's so many great resources on this website for them as they try to decide what their future is going to hold. To get free money is really the main thing for encouraging them to practice and be ready for that ACT. If you have any questions, make sure to let Brian or I know and we can help you. Thanks for watching and good luck.